In your workplace environment, you have gossip and then you have venting. And it's important to distinguish between the two to make sure that you're not creating a toxic work environment by going too far on the wrong side of a fine line. Now, workplace gossip, it's just inevitable. It's just going to happen. People are going to talk. And again, talking is not necessarily the worst thing in the world. Sometimes information needs to go around. Sometimes people need to be heard. Sometimes people need to vent. It's like having a pressure that's building up and building up and building up, and you need to release a little bit of that pressure to let some of that steam go so it doesn't completely blow up in your face. And so it's important that people have opportunities to vent and that you know that you have people that you can go to get things off your chest. But it's also important that you don't go on the wrong side of that fine line and get into a situation where you're gossiping and you're creating tensions and you're creating turmoil, perhaps even unbeknownst to you, that could be destroying your team atmosphere. And so it's really important that you have those opportunities and those people that you can vent to, but that you have that understanding with these people that you're venting to, so it's not becoming counterproductive and destroying the environment that you want to build. Hopefully, if you do it the right way, you have the opportunity to vent, you can decompress, come back up, and refocus on doing things the way that they should be done to create a great working environment that hopefully will be as free of tension as possible so that you can vent and you can get things off your chest, but you also have the comfort level that when things need to be said in a meeting environment or directly to somebody, you have the comfort level and the confidence level and the energy level to go for it and say the things that need to be said outside, independent of the venting sessions that you're going to need to have. And so try to avoid gossip as much as possible, but try to let yourself have opportunities to vent as well, to get things off your chest, to release a little bit of that pressure so that you don't blow up, so other people don't blow up, and you can keep your work environment on a good path toward decreasing toxicity as much as possible and creating a productive, positive work environment.